Calling all leather fans, I am back with another leather accessory for your 16 Pro Max, so let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So here I am back with the magnetic leather back from the guys at Nomad. I checked this out last year. Nomad launched this for the 15 Pro Max and it is definitely a different accessory. If you're not into cases but you're not quite into rocking your phone naked, well then this is definitely the thing that meets you in the middle. So let's check this out. Unlike the one last year, which was brown, this one is a black one. So this is more my cup of tea. So I'm really looking forward to checking this out. So here we go. So yeah, like it says on the back, it's Hurricane leather, it's vegetable tanned, it's made in the USA, it attaches with Magsafe and microsuction, and it supports Magsafe and wireless charging. There's not much else really that you have to really say. It is as minimal can get. And there we go. So as you can see on the inside then we have our Magsafe ring, we have our little suction pads here which are covered in plastic. These are reusable as well, so if you do take the back off you can clean these pads and you can reuse them, which is pretty good. And on the back then we have that lovely Hurricane leather, lovely black colour, and we have this solid black plastic camera guard as well. So yeah, this is as minimal can get. If it was any more minimal, it would be nothing. Let's just weigh this and see what it weighs. So 35 grams, which is not the worst. And if we just pop it onto the phone, 278 grams. So that's what you'll be carrying around in your pocket with the weight of the phone and the weight of this. And that is pretty much it. Now, I have just attached this on with Magsafe, however, we will do this installation properly, so we will just take these little plastic tabs off. Like so. And again, this one's different than last year, because last year I believe it only secured on with these little sticky pads, whereas it's got the Magsafe connectivity here as well, so it does give you that extra little bit of protection. So the Magsafe helps you line it up, not that you need help lining it up because of the camera bump, but you just stick it on like so, and it just gives you that extra little bit of security onto the back of the phone. And that is how it looks. So completely exposed sides of the phone and the top and the bottom. So yeah, there's no issues accessing any of those buttons or any of that there, but you do have that nice leather feel on the back. So I mean, yeah, this is definitely for the person that doesn't like cases but doesn't like their phone to be completely naked either. If you're worried about the back glass getting smashed or that kind of thing, this is the option for you, and it will give you that camera protection as well. So yeah, it's a bit of a different review because it's not something that I can really, you know, I can't really test a lot of the things that I test with cases. But I mean, there's the phone on, and like obviously that's where the camera guard is, so that's where you would look to remove it. But just trying to remove it there, it doesn't come off easy, which is what you want to see, you know. So it is good in that sense. So the only thing I really can do with this is Magsafe test it really. So let's just try this now. Let's hope. Now, I do have a screen protector on my phone, but I don't want anything else to happen to my phone. So let's hope that the Magsafe is decent on this, because if this falls, I am gonna cry. I really am. So let's just try this out. Oh. Oh, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Do you know what? The Magsafe's alright though. Squeaky bum time. So yeah, the Magsafe's not too bad. It's not the strongest Magsafe in the world. I would maybe like the magnets to be a little bit stronger, but if you're in the car and you have it on a Magsafe mount, it's not going to fall off your you mount in your car. So take from that what you will. I mean, it is what it is. I mean, the back is staying on the phone, so that's the full weight of the phone, no problem. And then the phone can take the full weight of the stand. So the magnets are really, really good, and the stickiness of the back is decent as well. So yeah, not much to say about that. It is what it is. What it is. It is a minimal solution for a person that doesn't like cases. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you prefer something like this, or do you prefer a full case? Let me know in the comments down below. It feels nice. It feels nice to hold, and if you do want that minimal feeling without having anything on the sides of your phone, it ticks the box. It does that perfectly. It really does. As always, I will leave you an affiliate link in the description down below where you can pick this up from Nomad's website. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using any of my links, thanks for your support. Much appreciated. And that about wraps it up for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep it locked on the channel. I have a lot more content coming, so stay tuned. And until the next one, I'll catch you later. I thought I smashed my phone.